Gamestore.lk. Dell Inspiron 5410 2-in-1. Intel Core i7 1165G 7th-gen processor, 12M cache, up to 4.70 GHz. 16GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz, maximum RAM 16 GB. 65W AC adapter. 3-cell battery, 41WH integrated. Dell Active Pen, PN350M. 14.0-inch FHD, 1920x1080, TrueLife Touch Narrow Border WVA display. 16GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz, maximum RAM 16 GB. 512GB M2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive, SSD, hard disk, M.2512GB SSD can be upgradable up to 1TB SSD, sold separately. NVIDIA GeForce MX350 2GB GDDR5. Keyboard enhancements include a larger keyboard with 9% bigger keys and backlit keyboard. The single sign-on, SSO, fingerprint reader on the power button. 1. Micro SD reader. 2. USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A3, audio jack. Platinum finish. The platinum silver finish with tonal color blocking palm rest looks good in any mode and uses an environmentally conscious waterborne paint. 4. Power jack. 5. HDMI 1.4 A, 6. USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A, 7. USB 3.2 General 2 Type C with power delivery plus DisplayPort. A well-rounded feel. With rounded edges, you can hold and move your device in comfort in any mode. Optimized hinge. An ergonomically positioned lift hinge increases comfort for a better typing experience when on chat, writing lengthy emails or connecting to your world. Stereo speakers with Realtek ALC 3204. Our power buttons are tested for 40,000 presses and our keyboard keys for 5 million clicks without failure. Open, closed, or twisted, Inspiron's base and lid have been tested tens of thousands of times. Ready when you are. Pick up where you left off in a flash with modern standby. It will get you up and running quickly just by opening your 2-in-1. Privacy is paramount. Rest assured that your privacy is secure with the mechanical privacy camera shutter. The 360 degrees hinge allows you to seamlessly shift between 4 different modes, providing the flexibility to stay connected throughout.